Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. Today I received this. I ordered from this company, BioGreen. This company name BioGreen. Excuse me. BioGreen. So it's a heating cooling system for a greenhouse, but right now I'm going to use it for my chicken. So I'm going to open it and share with you what I got. It's actually for the greenhouse. When I have a greenhouse, I'll order another one of these. This is made for greenhouse, small greenhouse. The size different. If you need one for big greenhouse, you can get the bigger size. This is about 20 feet to 20 feet by 15 feet area. If you search in this BioGreen company, you will see all the details. If anybody wants to buy the same things, you can go to BioGreen company and you will find everything for greenhouse, need for greenhouse. So you can see that it's have leg here. You can install it on the floor, or you can hang it in the ceiling. Here is all the power for heating, and it's electric. It will need this is the name, Phoenix 2.8 kilowatt greenhouse heater. Only for 240 volt usage. This is the power you have to use for the plug. 3 heat outputs, 2 versions and 1 heater. So this will need a special socket, electrical socket for connect this heater. Is heating and cooling system. So and I will have to bring a plumber to put the special electric outlet for this. It's a 2-year warranty. So if any reason it doesn't work, you can return it in 2 years. Also, you can. They have two pieces of chain. Here is the booklet for all the instructions to read and work on it. So my chicken used to live in another place, and for some reason I has to bring my chicken here. So I have a big chicken coop we built right in the beginning of the time we bought the house. So I need to put this heater on because recently it's get very, very cold in our area. It wasn't like this before. If I put my the real greenhouse, then I'll get 1 or 2 of these, depending on the size and capacity, to use this for my greenhouse, and then I can take all the plants outside. I don't need to put it inside. Inside is okay, but inside in the winter it gets very dry. That's why that's the problem. The plant don't like too much heat and too much dryness. Here is all the all the what cells and here is the plug. You can see this 3-prong cord. So if anybody looking for a heater for their greenhouse, heater and cooler, heating and cooling system, a small greenhouse, they can use this one. And I'm going to use this for my chicken this year and see how it works. If it works well, then I can share with you all again how things going. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.